Hey everyone, it's Maury. I just wanted to do a quick little video update. I've been pretty busy and I'm going to be traveling next week, so I won't have an actual video to put out, but I did want to at least let you know what was happening. So first and foremost, it looks like my lithium battery situation has been resolved. The solar charger is working like it's supposed to in conjunction with both of the lithium batteries. We've had great sunlight here in Arizona, and I was able to test it some more and actually watch it behave like it's supposed to. It was pretty exciting, and it gives me some hope that this spring when I hit the road, it's not going to cause me any problems. So fingers crossed, everything is set and I will be good to go this spring. Once I get back from my trip next week, I have a couple of small projects to take on. I have a dash cam that clips to my rearview mirror that will film both forward and reverse. The rear camera will be a bit of a project because it's a wired camera, so I will have to fish it through the van and the headliner to get it installed, and then find an easy way to get it outside the van so that it can actually video. I'm not going to use it as a reverse camera. It's capable of doing that, but since the radio has a backup camera built in already, I'm just going to use the second camera as filming. The dash cam also has a bump sensor so that if someone hits me in a parking lot or something, it will start automatically recording to show me what was happening at the time. So that's kind of a nice feature. In the meantime, if there's anything specific that you would like to see, maybe you have some questions about the van or something that I've done to the van specifically, I'm happy to take requests and make a custom video just for you. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, give me a suggestion, and I'm happy to put something together for you. So that's pretty much it for now. Wish me luck on my trip next week, and until next time, have a great day.